Good morning, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good.
Good morning.
Okay. Yes, good morning to everyone. And everyone turn on your camera. And everyone sit properly. You show me your face only. Nothing else. Okay. And now, everyone, you take your rough notebook. And today we study about active and passive voice. So you everyone take your rough notebook and write down some rules. Everyone take your rough notebook and write down some rules, which one related to the active passive voice. You everyone given heading active passive voice, rules of active passive voice. Hurry up. Everyone taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write down. So you write down some rules, which one related to the active passive voice. Okay? Clear? Now, firstly, you understand what is voice. Okay? Active and passive. These are the type of voice. Clear? So firstly is the voice. Clear? Means जब हम एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, on that time we use some sentences that may be active or sometimes that may be passive. Okay? So actually voice is that property of the verb. Okay? Voice is that property of the verb which shows whether the subject is performing or expressing.
Ma'am, we have to write with this.
No, firstly you understand. When I will tell to you to write down on that time. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You must have to.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
now you listen. Here, the voice is that property of the verb. Means it's a property of the verb. Clear? So, which verb? Main verb. Clear? Property of the main verb. And then it show whether the subjects, which one related to noun and pronoun. That is the subject. Is performing or expressing the action. Okay, that subject performing or expressing the action. Clear? So you write down. Now you write down. You everyone write down. Voice is that property of the verb. You everyone write down it on your rough notebook. Firstly, rough notebook. And be quick. Property of the verb which show whether the subject is performing or expressing the action. It's written,
Ma'am, can you please repeat again this last line?
whether the subject, voice is that property of the verb which shows whether the subject is performing or expressing the action. Performing or expressing the action. Clear? You written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's written? Okay. Now the next one. Now you
Ma'am,
write down.
मैम एक बार फिर से बोलो स्टार्टिंग से.
Beta, listen properly. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Voice is that property of the verb which show whether the subject is performing or expressing the action. आपको कोई ये लर्न नहीं करनी है. You must have to understand it, not learn. Okay? And then after, you write down type of voice. Okay? Type of voice. There are two type of voice. One is active and the second one is passive. Okay. In active voice, the subject is active. In active voice, the subject is active. Or when the subject does some act. Or when the subject does some act. Okay? Subject is active and the subject does some act. Clear? It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the second one, that is the passive. Here, subject is passive. And the subject is acted upon. Or subject does not act itself.
Ma'am, can you please repeat again?
Yes. In passive voice, the subject is passive and the subject is acted upon. Upon to some, matlab not act by itself. Clear? Now I give you example. Clear? Now you write down the sentence. Everyone write down the sentence. You write down. Ready? Okay. She sings a song. You everyone write down. She sings a song. Written?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now, here. Yes. You, Akshita, tell me. Which word is subject in this sentence?
Ma'am, she.
Sanchit? Sanchit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita is right. Is Akshita right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Kritika, it's sure? Which subject? Which word is subject in this sentence? Tell me, Kritika. Which word is subject in this sentence? Divya?
Yes, ma'am.
Divya, you tell
Ma'am,
me. Word. Yes, exactly she. Okay. Then Arpit. Arpit,
Yes.
you
Yes, ma'am.
tell me which word is verb?
Ma'am sings.
Anshika, Vanshika. Arpit is right.
ma'am.
Okay. And now, Samiksha, you tell me a song is what?
Ma'am, object.
Very good. Shabash. Okay. A song is a object. Okay. So you everyone write down in the below of these words. What are they? Okay. She के नीचे लिखो, that is subject. Okay. Sing के नीचे लिखो. Write down of this word verb. Which verb? It's a helping verb or main verb?
Ma'am, main verb.
Main
Yes, main verb. And a song is a object.
Object.
Yes. So this is a, now understand, you everyone understand me. Firstly, you understand me. So here, this sentence is a active, okay? Because here subject does some act. Who is the subject? She. And she sings. Okay. So here subject is active. Here जो subject है वो काम कर रहा है, वो गाना गाता है या गाती है. Okay. So that's why she is a subject and that subject does some work. Okay. Sing a song. Sings is a verb. It's a main verb. Okay. It's clear? It's
Yes,
clear
yes,
to
ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is a active voice. Now we turn it into passive voice. Clear? When we turn it into passive voice, you firstly know some rule, that is, in every passive voice, object become subject. In every passive voice sentence, object become subject. Okay. So you write down this first rule. In passive voice, first thing is, आप लोग थोड़ा सा स्पेस दे देना, उस सेंटेंस को हमने पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करना है और उसके नीचे वो रूल लिखना. ओके. Below from them. So you write the first, that is, in every passive voice, object of active voice becomes subject in passive voice. I again repeat, object of active voice becomes subject in passive voice. Clear? Means जो object है वो क्या बनता है?
मैम सब्जेक्ट.
क्या बनता है?
मैम
श्रन्या,
सब्जेक्ट.
शैलेन, शैलेन.
Subject.
Yes, that become subjects. Now you find object of first sentence. What is, which was object?
मैम a song.
Yes, Sahil.
मैम a song.
Sahil, a song. Okay, so you write down it, a song. Okay, ये आपको सब्जेक्ट मिल गया पैसिव में. क्लियर? देन आफ्टर in passive voice, you write down the next rule. In every passive voice, कोई भी passive voice होगा, in every passive voice, only the third form of verb is used. Write down. In every passive voice, only the third form of verb is used. Okay? Generally, in which tense we use this verb? Yes, Shanvi? You tell me.
Yes,
Shanvi, you tell me generally which tense? Okay, in which tense? Listen me very carefully. In which tense we use third form of verb generally? In which tense?
Ma'am, perfect.
Very good. Exactly. It's perfect. Maybe it present, maybe it past, or maybe it future. Okay. So on that tense, we use third form of verb. The second thing, that is passive voice. In every passive voice, we use third form of verb. Okay? Clear? It's clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, you read the sentence. Which one I given to you? You read that sentence. What is that? Arpit, you read that.
She sings a song.
Okay. Now you everyone identify from which tense this sentence belong. From which tense? Firstly, you identify this. You everyone identify this. From which tense this sentence belong? Yes, Ridhima? Ridhima, firstly switch on your camera. Ridhima is okay. You, Smarth Rana, you tell me
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
from which tense this sentence belong? Okay, Shranya.
Ma'am, present indefinite.
Harshit, is Marthrana is right? Is Marthrana right? Harshit, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, this sentence belong to the present indefinite tense. अब प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट का ये कौन सा सेंटेंस है? सेकेंड थिंग यू फाइंड आउट द सेंस फ्रॉम विच इट फॉर्म. It's a affirmative or it's a negative or it's a interrogative or it's a negative interrogative. What? Yes, you, Akshita. Yes, Akshita, tell me.
Affirmative.
Yes, it is a affirmative or simple sentence. Clear? It's clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
in every active voice sentence, you firstly find out the tense from which that sentence belong. Okay? अगर आपके माइंड में ये रह जाती है बात, then it's okay. And if you want to write, then you write it. Firstly, identify the tense. Which active voice sentence belong? Okay? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
And remember one thing more. I will check your notebook. So don't miss. Everyone, you should have to write all these rules. It's very important for you. Okay. So now we find the tense. Okay. This sentence belong to the present indefinite tense or present tense. Okay. Now Lakshita.
Yes.
Lakshita, are you listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, you tell me what are the helping verb which we use in present tense? It may be continue, it may be perfect, it may be perfect continue, or it may be indefinite. You tell me the helping verb which we use in present tense.
Ismr.
What are they? Very good.
SODS.
Yes, it's not a helping verb, but do or does. You can say do or does. Clear?
ING.
No, dear, ing is not a verb. Helping verb.
Do and does. Has and have.
Yes,
Has
yes.
and
Very good.
been. Has been. Have been.
Yeah. Has been, have been. Okay, clear? Okay, now you, Mukul. Mukul is there. Okay, beta, you tell me the helping verb which we use in present? No
Ma'am.
idea. Okay, Sanchit, you tell me.
Ma'am, do, does, is, are, ma'am, has, have, has been, and has, have been.
Have been. Okay, very good. Okay, so everyone remember this. Is, am, are, do, does, has, have, been, have been. These all are the helping verb which we use in present tense. Okay, so we all know that here this sentence, she sings a song, is also belong to the present tense. So the helping verb, when we convert this sentence into passive, on that case we use the helping verb after subject. Okay, so here this is a present, so we use which verb? A song is a singular or plural? Sahil, you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me, a song is a singular or plural?
Sir.
Okay, very good. So here we use helping verb is. Okay, a song is. You everyone write down, a song is. Okay, हम जो ये helping verb use करेंगे, that one is related to the subject. If the subjects are plural in passive voice, remember this. Okay, if the subject is plural, then we use plural form. Okay, plural helping verb. Or if the subject is singular, on that case we use singular helping verb. So is we use with singular, it's a singular helping
Yes.
verb. So a song is, what third form of sing?
Ma'am, sung.
Ma'am, sung.
Shanvi, what is the third form of sing?
Ma'am, repeat again.
Yes, Divya. What is the third form of sing?
I'm sung. Sung.
Yes, yes, sung. So you have to write down, a song is sung. A song is sung. By what?
Ma'am, her.
Ma'am,
What
a
you,
song is sung by her.
why are you not right, she? Hmm? Which word you write here? She
Ma'am,
or
her.
her? Why? What is the reason behind this? Why we write here her? Why we write here her? Because, now listen, when the subject of active voice when the subject of active voice convert into object form in passive voice, on that case just wait. Okay, what you write? Yes, गौरव, what you write? क्या लिख रहे थे आप? क्या लिखा आपने?
When the
Yes.
subject in object form in passive voice, on that case
We use objective case.
Converted into passive
On
voice.
that we use the pronoun objective case. Now you listen. Clear? You understand? Everyone, you don't write anything else and listen me properly. I mean to say, she is a subjective case of pronoun. Okay? Clear? I is a subjective case. We is subjective case. You is a subjective case. They is a subjective. He, she, it, all these are the subjective case. Okay? And when we convert it into in passive voice, it becomes objective. Okay? On that time, it become objective case. So, she, the objective case of she is her. That's why we use here her. Yeah? So that's why we use here her. Now, what is the passive voice of that sentence? You, Anshika, tell me. Anshika.
Yes.
She sings a song. Now you convert into passive.
A song is sang by her.
Sung by her. Sang ne. Sang is not the proper word. Sung. Sing, sang, sung. Sung is the third form.
Hello.
Okay. A song is sung by her. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
You everyone written? Okay. Now you write. It's important thing in every passive voice. Now you make a column and given heading. Subjective case. Subjective case, or you can write pronoun of subjective case. Pronoun of subjective case. Okay. In left hand side, you write down pronoun of subjective case, and then right hand side, you write down pronoun of objective case. Okay. मतलब जब आपको सब्जेक्ट में ये pronoun आए, उसको आपने जब पैसिव में ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना है तो आपने क्या वर्ड यूज करना है. So you have to write down. I is change into. I is change into what? I किस में change होता है? Shranya? Yes, by me. Okay. I is changed into by me. Okay, and the next one is we. We. We is change, और आप easily लिख सकते हैं. We
Ma'am,
is change into.
Ma'am, us.
We is change into.
Ma'am, us.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, by
Ma'am,
us. Very good. By us. Then you is change into Smiksha. Smiksha, you tell me, you is change into.
Ma'am, may I answer?
You is change into. Yeah, just wait. Just wait. Now, firstly, Smiksha, give me answer. You is change into by you. Okay?
Yes.
Only this subject, it's used on the same way in object case also. And then they is change into Divya.
Ma'am, them.
Yes, very good. By them. Then he is change into Rajeshwar. Rajeshwar.
Yes, ma'am.
He is change into.
Ma'am, he is him.
You are Rajeshwar. I'm asked to Rajeshwar. Yes, he is changed into by him. Okay. Then she is changed into. She is changed into
Her.
Arpit.
Ma'am, her. Ma'am,
Okay. Very good. Very good. And it is changed into Sahil. And it is changed into it. Okay.